Want to redesign your home but don't know where to start? Wish you could actually see your ideas before spending a single dollar? And are you looking for something that makes interior design easier, not more complicated? Welcome back to the Planner 5D channel. In this video, I'm showing you the top 3 AI tools every designer should be using in 2026. In this video, we're talking about how to instantly get a 3D model of your floor plan, how AI can decorate that space for you, and finally, AI Studio, which turns your renders into polished, presentation-ready designs all in one place. Before we move on, Planner 5D does have a free trial that unlocks all of their pro tools, so if you're interested, scan the QR code on the screen or check the link in the description for more info. If you're into videos like this, please hit that like button, and since you're already there, might as well subscribe to the channel too. Using a digital plan is by far the easiest way to get an idea of how you want to design a space. But one of the most common things that keeps people from creating a digital plan is the time it takes to make it. If you're doing it manually, yeah, it can take a while. If there were only an easier way. Lucky for you, I have an easier way. Instead of spending hours recreating a plan from scratch, you can just upload it. All you need is a floor plan, whether that's a blueprint, a PDF from your architect, a screenshot pulled off a real estate listing, or even just a photo you took on your phone. Just upload it into Planner 5D and it automatically picks up the walls, rooms, doors, and windows, then turns the whole thing into a fully editable 3D project. Yes, editable. You can make as many adjustments as you need. Want to remove a wall, rework the layout, or try different furniture? Go for it. Nothing is set in stone, which is the best part. Think about how much time that saves you. You can skip straight to the part that's actually fun, designing. Whether you're renovating your own place or working with clients, this basically removes the boring part of the process so that you can just focus on being creative. Next up is perfect for anyone who's ever stared into an empty room like, okay, where do I start? That's literally what the Smart Wizard or AI designer is built for. Instead of dragging furniture around for half an hour, just pick your room type and your favorite style and let it do all of the heavy lifting for you. A few seconds later, you've got a fully furnished room with a layout that actually makes sense. Here's my favorite part though, you're not stuck with the first version. Don't like it? Hit shuffle and get a completely different, professionally arranged option instantly. Keep going until something clicks, and since everything's still editable after, you can tweak whatever you want. I use this one constantly when I need a jumping off point or when I'm just staring at that blank room feeling stuck. Instead of spending half an hour wondering where the sofa should go, I get a handful of solid starting points in seconds and just customize the one I like best. It's basically like having a designer brainstorming with you, except it never gets tired and can spit out as many ideas as you want. Now this is the tool I cannot get enough of and my favorite feature inside Planner 5D, and honestly the one that changed how I approach my whole workflow. We're talking about the AI Studio. Think of it as your entire AI workspace for design all in one spot. Normally you'd need a different tool for every step, one for ideas, one for editing images, one for improving renders, another for video, another for presentations. It's a lot, and AI Studios just does all of it. Concepts, mood boards, better renders, swapped materials, edited images, videos, new floor plans, upscaled images, even full client presentations without ever leaving your project. And here's what I love most, it all lives in one infinite canvas. No more losing renders across a dozen different folders. Every idea, every variation lives in one visual space where you can compare things side by side, play around with different styles, and build the whole project out from that first spark of inspiration to the final presentation. One tool inside AI Studio I really can't stop using is the Improve Render function. One click and a decent render turns into something way more photorealistic. Want to push it further? Shift the whole mood. Swap daytime for sunset, dial in the cozy evening vibe, add dramatic lighting, or go full disco ball if you're feeling it. And once the design's done, you're not stuck with just images. AI Studio can turn your render into a short AI-generated video, which makes for a genuinely great presentation for clients, friends, or honestly, even just yourself. For me, this isn't just another feature bolted on, it's the place where the whole creative process actually comes together. There's a lot you can do in the AI Studio, so let me know in the comments if you want a full tutorial showing all of the ways you can use it. All right, I'm guessing you're probably ready to try these tools out for yourself now, so scan the QR code on the screen to start your free trial and dig into everything that we covered today. And before you go, let me know in the comments which tool was your favorite and which one are you trying first? AI Studio, I know. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.